Right, y'all, playing the early morning lightning link. Landed this little beauty right here. Got two $30 balls, two $20 balls. Let's get some bigger balls. So we'll see a triple minor. Triple minor floating by, but let's still chasing that major. Come on, baby. I feel a big one about to land. Sit down one time. Dang it. Not a bad start to a good morning. Good job, Lightning Link. $136. Put $100 in. We're down about 80 bucks. I was about to change the denom and bet after this spin. Came through for me. Let's go. Let's give some backups. 2 backups, right? Dang it. All right, cashing out at 210, put in $110 profit. Let's go.